is Ching. Today we're moving into the fourth set of the contemporary Qigong developed by me. And so it's called Celebrating Life. If this is the first time for you to see my video, you are so welcome. And also welcome all my returning YouTube students. And here we go. We started out, so if you go to all my video playlist, the first, if you say, I don't know, we're on the fourth set. What's the first set? The first set is called a spiral breath. So it kind of prepare you how to move in the spine with a reverse abdominal breathing, how you're rooting, right? Put a coordination all together, feel the spiral movement. The second one is to harmonize with the nature. So remember, we say your body is a small universe from the traditional Chinese medicine, which is, it's all about wellness. So you're a small universe in this big universe. So second one, we say, use the small universe. If you're healthy, you can connect to the nature, the big grand universe. So that's the second one. The third one, we'll call it fortified Qigong. So once you incorporate what's around you, surrounding, and really understand yourself, it's really important, right? This spend a whole life to get to know this amazing body. So we call it fortified Qigong, which is fortified Qi. So you want to build up, you're getting better and better. Now, once you got that better, we're celebrating the life. Okay, so you can see it's getting harder, right? My book is in pre-order right now. I will put the information at the end of the video for you to check it out. So the book title is One Body, One Life Within Your Control. And in the book, we covered all the missing fundamentals. So if I say 5 checkpoints, which I'm going to say soon, your posture, the most important thing, right? Learning. Because we keep skipping them in the fundamentals. I'm going to bring the missing fundamental before you did a marathon, soccer game, dancing, whatever, right? All this, or riding the bike for 100 miles. And you got to know this body, right? Sometimes you're gifted. You can do some of this exercise very well, but you still don't know the body. So we have to turn back a little bit. Okay, so we call it missing fundamental. I call it purposeful movement first. So that's a fundamental. Then in the book, it goes into injury-free and ageless exercise. So if you want to play sports, you want to run, you can do all this beautiful activity out there, skiing, whatsoever. You try not to have injury, right? Because it's not fun when you injure yourself. An accident, what happened? But then what happened? How do I recover, right? Those are really important. So now, then injury-free, ageless exercise. So sometime, you just retire. You say, look like everybody's running marathon. Maybe I should start doing that. No, don't start that. Start knowing your body first. So the ageless exercise in the book is cover meaningful movement and the insightful movement. Meaningful movement is Qigong, what I'm doing right now. I'm going to show you. Insightful is Tai Chi Chuan. It's so much harder than running and walking. So you definitely want to know how to walking. You have to know how to running. So I have all that video too for you. Okay, so see if you can search it. I'm going to try to focus on today's work. And at the end of the video, I'm going to insert the end screen, show you how this looked all together from the part 1, part 2, and part 3. So today we focus on part 1. How do you prepare and learning how you start, right? Okay. So here we go. Nice and tall. Here we say 5 checkpoints. So proper posture. Okay. When I use the reverse abdominal breathing and lots of rooting. Okay. So ready? Nice and tall. So this is my front. I do diagonal so you can see the movement better. I'm going to bend both my knee. Body stay up. I'm not leaning forward. I just bend both knee. The hip will follow because there's 3 section follows. And peel my right leg off, lunging directly back. So this is a forward lunge. You look at it's diagonal. I lean forward a little bit. Oh, you feel nice calf stretch. You feel the quadriceps waking up. So that's the meaningful movement, is bone density exercise. So you muscle squeeze the bone without doing high impact. So you want to preserve your joint, because otherwise surgery is not fun. But if you had it to, it's good, right? You can move again. So you need to know how to take care of yourself better. Okay, so ready? I'm just gonna use my tummy, so reverse it. So inhale, I'm gonna start on the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You go, what the heck is she talking about? And that's your actual rectus abdominis, the rectus abdominal muscle, okay? So you have 6-pack above the belly button. You got 4 and 5 below. So you actually have 10-pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you ready? I'm gonna feel the pelvic floor. I contract my abdominals, so I'm doing a beautiful sit-ups. Articulate your spine, goes up and going to, good, ready? Inhale one more time. Use your pelvic floor first responder. Transverse abdominal, recruiting the lower arrow, getting the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you lengthen the spine, lunging out, get a calf stretch. Now I'm going to shift my weight forward and feel that muscle, the quadriceps, squeeze that femur, bring the leg in, transfer weight, take it right out. Switch side, right? So ready? Just the spine, so, and the leg. Hollow your tongue, of course, breath. Inhale and exhale. This is so much more. This is a beautiful sit-up, much more functional. Inhale, I'm going to articulate 24 articulate vertebrae. You got 24 that can move. Then you have another 5 and sacrum that doesn't really fuse together already. So you're going to use your tummy to move that area. Then go into the articulate one. So cervical, thoracic, and lumbar. Ready? One last one. Inhale, 5, 4. That's the lower arrow, meeting up the upper arrow. So you got beautiful wave movement on your spine and step in. So you really will appreciate your body design, right? So you don't look like a robot all the time, right? So you have to do all this beautiful movement. And so you are, be fair to every single muscle. You have special what? Your internal organ. They work 24/7. You need to say hi by moving the spine, right? It's all in this here. Right? Your heart's not here, and they are connected. Your heart, actually, second heart's right here. We'll talk about that next time. So movement are so important to stimulate the whole body, but how you do it properly. So that's why we call this meaningful. Okay, second part today, we're gonna add in the arm to this movement. Okay, you ready? Here we go. I'm bend both my knee, body stay upright, peel, get into that lunge. Inhale, circle my arm, everything else the same. I just add in the arm. I'm hugging the nature. And squeeze the glutes, the right one. Send the right knee down and open the chest looking up. So it's called the extension. I'm going to circle my arm to second position, which is side of your body, and continue, lower that right heel down, lengthen. So there's a down, there's an up, right? And this is a forward, getting that quadricep. You ready? Inhale, I'm going to do 3 times. Inhale, squeeze right tush, lower the right knee, reaching up. If you do this outside, it looks so beautiful. You can look at the sky, how big, and I tell you how big you are too, right? Inhale, because you're living in this beautiful universe in the earth, right? All the way up, squeeze your glutes, reaching up, up, up. Celebrate a life. You're celebrating and lengthening. Okay, you ready? Shift your way forward, step in. And then step back. Okay, see the balance? We gotta have balance. Inhale comes in. So your muscles so beautifully pliable, right? Reaching, use the muscle, moving the body, other joint. Lengthen the spine, open your arm, second position. You feel so big. And inhale again, hollow your tummy, rounding. Bend your knee a little more and lower the left knee down. Lift, there's a down and there's up now. Up, 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 up. And open your arms. Second position, lengthen spine. Never pop the rib cage. Right? Inhale, last one. Comes in, hug the air. And right, up all the way, up, 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 up. Open your arms, start transfer weight to the front leg. Lower the back heel on the exhale. I'm going to do one more time with breathing. So inhale is right here. Ready? Exhale, reaching up. Rooting. Inhale, open the world wide. Exhale, lengthening, lower a little bit more. Tiny little movement, huge sensation. Shift your weight, step in, unroll, come back up. Okay? It's never more is better. It's all about what's right. When it's right, it's small because your mind is involved. Meaning, right? So your mind had to involve the body to do everything. So, my book, I give you a little, I show you the book cover. It's beautiful. I think it's beautiful. Anyway, it's called One Body, One Life Within Your Control. And here's the information how you can purchase. You can go to balboapress.com, or Balboa Press gave me a website for my book. The website is called One Body. The title is One Body, One Life with Ching.com. That website is really nice because if you're not quite sure, you want to do a little bit of research, you go to that link and it has about the author, about the book, and also have some sample page for you to see. My book is menu with reading a lot of anatomy chart. There's at least like 54, 56 of them, anatomy chart. 18 QR code that linking you to those non-published YouTube video. If you you search, there's a not published, that's mean you have to get the book and use the QR code to make it come alive, okay? So those 18 QR code exercise linking to the video coincide with the book, so you know has a better system. What goes first? Then you branch out what exercise you want to do, right? You want to do Pilates, you want to do some, we'll call it purposeful Pilates, purposeful strengthening with the TheraBand toning ball, lots of stuff. And the beautiful purposeful stretching, right? Then the meaningful movement and insightful movement, which is Tai Chi Chuan. So you have a lot of choices, so you don't get stuck. Everybody wants to run. I mean, she's running again. And it's running again. I'm sorry, if you like to running, I would like to open your eye to see a couple other things too, so you can run better next time. You better stretch out. First thing you want to do is stretch, okay? So hopefully you like the book, and also use it as a gift. The holidays coming, lots of birthdays, and helping your relatives, your family to have a better look at how to exercise. Thank you so much. Enjoy, and next week I'll show you the second part 2 of celebrating life. And I hope you celebrate life too, all the time. Give gratitude and appreciation. Take good care. Bye.